Have you ever wondered how well your kidneys are working right now? You might feel perfectly fine, but deep inside, your kidneys could be struggling without any clear warning signs. The truth is, kidney disease is often called a silent killer because symptoms only appear when the damage is already severe. In fact, studies show that nearly 10% of the global population suffers from some form of chronic kidney disease, and millions of people don't even realize it until it's too late. This is exactly what happened to Mira, a loving mother in her 40s who always prioritized her family's health but never paid much attention to her own. She drank plenty of water, ate home-cooked meals, and stayed active. But during a routine checkup, she was shocked to learn that her kidney function had declined. The doctor told her she needed to act fast to prevent further damage, or she could be at risk for serious complications. Mira's story is more common than you think. The good news? There are simple, natural ways to support your kidneys and detoxify them effectively. In today's video, we'll explore 3 powerful kidney detox drinks that are easy to make at home. These drinks are backed by science and have helped countless people, including Mira, regain control over their kidney health. If you want to take care of your kidneys before it's too late, stick around until the end. We'll not only share these powerful recipes, but also explain how each ingredient works to cleanse your kidneys and improve their function. And if you find this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build a community that prioritizes health and well-being. Now let's dive into the first kidney detox drink that changed Mira's life. Body Hin. Mira sat across from Dr. Raj, her hands clutching her medical report. The numbers didn't lie. Her kidney function was on the decline. As a mother, she had always prioritized her family's health, making sure her husband and son ate well, stayed active, and went for regular checkups. But in doing so, she had neglected herself. Now she faced the reality of an issue she never saw coming. Dr. Raj leaned forward, his voice calm but firm. Your kidneys are hard-working organs. They filter about 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing waste, toxins, and excess fluids. But when they start to decline, that waste begins to build up in your body. Over time, it can lead to fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, and even kidney failure. The good news? We can do something about it, starting today. Mira's eyes widened. Is it reversible? Or am I too late? Raj smiled reassuringly. While we can't always reverse kidney damage, we can certainly slow it down and improve your overall kidney health. The key is in what you consume daily. I want you to start incorporating kidney-friendly detox drinks into your routine. These drinks aren't just hydrating, they contain powerful compounds that support kidney function, help flush out toxins, and prevent further damage. Let's start with the first one. Mira took out a notebook, ready to make a change. The first drink is a beetroot and apple smoothie, Dr. Raj began. Beetroot is rich in betalains, a natural antioxidant that reduces inflammation and increases urine acidity, which helps prevent kidney stones. Apple, on the other hand, contains pectin, a fiber that binds toxins and supports kidney health. Studies suggest that people who consume apples regularly have 30% lower risks of kidney-related complications compared to those who don't. Mira nodded, writing down the ingredients. Later that evening, she blended 1 beetroot, 2 apples, half a cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. As she took her first sip, she was pleasantly surprised. It was sweet, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. More importantly, she knew she was taking the first step toward better kidney health. The next morning, she returned to Dr. Raj's office, eager to learn more. "What's next?" she asked. Dr. Raj chuckled. "I love your enthusiasm. The second drink is apple cider vinegar water. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones before they become a problem. It also balances your body's pH, reducing the risk of kidney infections. Research shows that drinking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water daily can lower the chance of kidney stone formation by 40%. Mira grimaced slightly. "I've heard apple cider vinegar can be quite strong." Raj nodded. "That's true, but you can dilute it more or add a little honey to soften the taste. The benefits are worth it. I suggest drinking this on an empty stomach in the morning. It will help cleanse your kidneys and improve digestion at the same time." That evening, Mira hesitated before taking her first sip. It was tangy, but she reminded herself why she was doing this. With each passing day, it became a habit she no longer dreaded. A week later, she met with Dr. Raj once again. "I've been feeling better," she admitted. "Less bloated, more energetic." "What's the third drink?" Dr. Raj smiled, sensing her growing confidence. "The last one is a carrot and ginger smoothie. Carrots are high in carotenoids, which help detoxify the kidneys and protect against oxidative damage. Ginger, on the other hand, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that support overall kidney function. A study found that people who consume ginger regularly have a 25% lower risk of chronic kidney disease." Mira blended 1 carrot, half a cucumber, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. She took her first sip and felt the warmth of the ginger, followed by the natural sweetness of the carrot. It became her new favorite. Over the next month, Mira noticed significant improvements. Her energy levels increased, her swelling reduced, and she felt lighter. When she returned for her next checkup, her results had stabilized. Dr. Raj beamed. "See, small changes lead to big results. It's not just about what we avoid, it's about what we add to our daily routine. These drinks, along with a balanced diet and regular checkups, will keep your kidneys in great shape." Mira left his office that day feeling empowered. For the first time in years, she wasn't just taking care of her family, she was taking care of herself too. As Mira walked out of the clinic, she reflected on her journey. What started as a wake-up call had turned into a transformation. Her kidneys weren't just surviving, they were thriving. She shared her experience with her friends, encouraging them to take small steps towards better kidney health. A month later, Mira found herself in a much better state, physically and mentally. She had more energy, her digestion improved, and even her skin looked healthier. The swelling in her legs, which she once ignored, had disappeared. She no longer woke up feeling sluggish. Instead, she had a new morning ritual, starting her day with one of her favorite kidney detox drinks. She experimented with flavors, sometimes adding a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits or a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. These small tweaks made a big difference. One evening, she sat down with her son, Arjun, who had noticed the changes in her. "Mom, you look happier these days," he said, handing her a glass of the beetroot and apple smoothie she had introduced him to. Mira smiled, taking a sip. "I feel happier, Arjun. I never realized how much my body was struggling until I started taking better care of it." Her newfound enthusiasm for kidney health didn't stop at home. She became an advocate in her community, encouraging her neighbors to be mindful of their diets. She organized a small wellness group where she and her friends shared healthy recipes and held each other accountable. What started as a personal journey had grown into a movement of people supporting one another in their quest for better health. When Mira returned for her 3-month follow-up, her test results showed a significant improvement. Her doctor was impressed. "Mira, your dedication is paying off. Keep up the great work." Tears welled up in her eyes, not out of sadness, but out of relief. She had taken control of her health, and now she had the proof that her efforts were making a real difference. And now it's your turn. Kidney health isn't just about preventing problems. It's about living your best life with energy, vitality, and confidence. Start by incorporating these simple drinks into your daily routine. Pay attention to what you eat, stay hydrated, and make mindful choices for your well-being. Small changes lead to big results, and your body will thank you for it. Mira's journey is a testament to how small, consistent changes can create a big impact. At first, she was overwhelmed and unsure where to start. But by taking one step at a time, incorporating natural detox drinks, paying attention to her diet, and prioritizing her health, she transformed not only her kidneys, but her entire well-being. Her story is not unique. It is a reflection of the power we all have to take control of our health. And now the question is, what will you do for your kidneys today? Your body works tirelessly to keep you going every day. It's time to return the favor. Start with just one of the detox drinks we discussed. Whether it's the refreshing beetroot and apple smoothie, the cleansing apple cider vinegar drink, or the nutrient-rich carrot and ginger blend. These small additions to your routine can make a world of difference. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Countless others are making the same effort to improve their health, one sip at a time. Every positive change you make is a step toward a healthier future. Whether you are just starting or already on your wellness journey, know that every little effort counts. Health is not about drastic transformations overnight. It's about progress, about making better choices every day. If Mira can do it, so can you. Share your experiences in the comments. What are your favorite ways to support kidney health? Have you tried any of these drinks before? Let's learn from each other and create a community that prioritizes well-being together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Share this with your loved ones, because taking care of our kidneys is something we all should prioritize. Your journey to better health starts now. Take that first step today.